Good evening, good afternoon to all the lovely ladies in the Sari Gallery. Come on in. Are you ladies busy with Dasara? Day 7 of Dasara. I'm so pleased to see all the posts which has been posted in the gallery. Oh, they are so good ones. All the colorful saris. The sari gallery was painted in different colors every day for all the 7 days. Wow. I still haven't acknowledged many of the posts. I will definitely go through. I kind of just came through very quickly. Thank you, Radhika, for joining in. Thank you so much. Come on, ladies. Identify yourself and say hi. Hi, Revati. Thank you for joining in. Looking lovely in blue. Thank you, Radhika. Thank you. Today is blue, right? So royal blue. I had to pick this sari up. I was tossing between two other saris and then finally settled. It's always good to have one or two saris, but not too many. Then, then you kind of juggle, oh, not this, not that. And then finally you have to decide on one. So I think just having a few saris is good. Not too many. Good afternoon, ma'am Revati. Thank you, Revati. Thank you for joining in. Come on, ladies. There are so many there. Identify yourselves. Uma, thank you for joining in. Thank you. Yay! I think we should get started. It will pick up momentum. Happy Dasra. Happy Dasra to all of you ladies. And today is day 7, isn't it? Today we worship goddess Kalaratri. Wow, I did see so many blues in the sari gallery today, but I haven't had a chance to go through in detail. Geeta Singh, happy Navratri, lovely sari. Thank you so much. I've got a spiel to the sari. This was one of the saris which I won in one of the raffles when I attended a charity event. So it was sitting in my wardrobe for about almost 2 years, and then I thought, okay, there she comes. So this is just a plain silk sari, and I'll be posting it tonight, or I can just show you. So it's just a plain silk sari. It's a very plain pallu, nothing special in the pallu. It's just a nice silk sari, but it has royal blue color in it, so which is good. Umakati saying happy Navratri to you too, and all the ladies. Welcome, let us start. Welcome to Wholesome Wednesday session number 70. Today is going to be a dhamaka night because I have got Hema and Amita, a mother and daughter duo, performing to us with all their melodies. Typically folk and soft songs today, so let us sit and enjoy their musical melody in a short while, and I'm just eagerly looking forward for having them on board. Very soon I'll bring them on camera, and I have already sent them the invite, and hopefully I should be able to bring them soon. Right. Obviously today's Kalaratri. Kalaratri means Kal is death and Ratri is night. It's the power of goddess Kalaratri, who has got the power to destroy the negative energies, and blue obviously symbolizing divine power and energy. So that's the significance of royal blue, and that is what we are worshipping today. And now, coming to happy birthdays. Today we have got Krishna Kumari, Mansi Raipade, Vijaya Satish, Anjali Kumar, and Krishna Kumari. I think Krishna Kumari and S. Krishna Kumari might be the same, but I tried looking at it. I couldn't get any information, so I thought I'll just leave it. I'll wish them, whoever it is. And also wishing a very happy birthday to all the ladies who celebrated birthday from last week up until today. Once again, though it is belated, but that's all right. Wishing you all a very happy birthday. And my usual national days comes through. I've got quite a few today. I'll read some of them, but there are a couple which is really important. So I just thought I'll shed some light. And also, like, there are events happening in the month of October pertaining to that. So I'm just kind of like, highlight that. It's National Herpes Awareness Day. And this is to raise awareness about the causes and risk associated with herpes. And in particular, emphasis is on genital herpes. And the next one is Metastatic Breast Cancer Awareness Day. And this one is perfect for this month because this month is Cancer Awareness Month. And this is to increase the awareness and visibilities of those who are championing and at the same time fighting this deadly disease, and also to support the scientific advances which comes across with that to help fund research activities. And also, today is No Bra Day. Right, here she comes, right? This is more than a comfort thing, wearing no bra. But no bra is basically emphasis on, getting to know the signs of cancer. That is the way you can actively check if there is anything happening. So that's to promote the awareness and plus comfort as well. That becomes secondary, but here it becomes more primary. So that is the main reason for that one. So I thought, these two were quite of kind of important for the month of October, since we are celebrating cancer awareness, like Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So that was a good one. The next one is the National Yorkshire Pudding Day. And obviously, I don't want to raise anything about Yorkshire pudding. I was just going through, I was thinking it's a sweet pudding, but no, I don't want to do that on a festival day, all right? The next one is National Transfer Money to Your Son Day. Last week, it was Daughter's Day, and today it is Son's Day. So I do have a son, so I've got to transfer money to him, right? It's just like pocket money, just emphasizing the importance of mother-son relationship, and that is what it is. So if you feel like, of course, do transfer money to your son/sons. Probably, if I don't forget, I'll do it tonight. And the next one is National Take Your Parents to Lunch Day. It's such a good opportunity to take parents for lunch. The next one is National Stop Bullying Day. So this is basically to educate children not to be the victims of bullying, which can be prevented by raising awareness. And this happens a lot. So that is to promote that one. The next one is the National Fossil Day. The next one is the International Top Spinning Day. As a child, I have grown up playing, spinning the top. And there is a day for that one too. So it was initiated by a museum in Burlington in Wisconsin ages ago. So that's the importance of International Top Spinning Day. The next one is International Skeptics Day. If you're into skepticism, say, you don't believe that or whatever, perhaps maybe you can put some thought to that and debate why is not this correct or why is not that correct. The next one is International Day for Disaster Reduction. It could be like biological, technological, or environmental means. So perhaps do that. The next one is the English Language Day. This is really good. English is the language which is spoken over by 2 billion people in the world. And there are about 7,000 variations of English in the world right now. Wow, I didn't even know. I was Googling and I figured it out. And it has now become the primary language, especially in media, in TV shows, music, and literature. The next one is Emergency Nurses Day. Salute to all the nurses who are toiling their life away, looking after us and working in the healthcare system, providing invaluable care and assistance to those in need. And it's a timely one too. The next one is Ada Lovelace Day. This is to praise or highlight the achievements of women in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, which to promote career in STEM. That is what it's called, STEM. So science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. I didn't know that day existed. And the next one is National Pet Obesity Day. If people are having pets, I don't have a pet. So if people are having pets, make sure that, you don't feed your pet whatever you can. And it's just basically to reduce the obesity and to look after and encouraging the pet owners to make sure the pets are healthy. The next one is Navy Birthday, which is to recognize the brave men and women who have served our country both in past and present. So I kind of like just came through very quickly. And today it's all about folk music, right? Folk music is a kind of like music genre that combines both traditional and contemporary forms. And music that is like transmitted orally, it's played in different traditional instruments. I do have some folk instruments like this one, the kolata, and this is the Punjabi, whatever they are called. And these are some of the folk instruments, like, people used to use those ones instead of the electronic instruments what you get now, and they used to sing folk music, and it used to be a community celebration, like, sitting together and singing, and that was all about like, folk music, and it has continued to make its presence ever since it was introduced. And that is what Hema and Amita will be shedding some light on folk music. And before I start, I thought I will just give a glimpse of what I kind of like remember as a folk music. And the very first one I remembered was, this is the Kannada one. Chalvaya chalvo tani tandana chinmaya rupe kolana kole. That's why I had this kolana kole. Right? And the next one I remember is, and this is one of my favorite ones too, and Isha Foundation's Sadhguru is also very fond of this, and the girl who sang is Ananya Bhatt. And I just love this song. I'll just do a little piecemeal of it. I'm not a good singer, but I just want, it's just so a lovely song it is. Sojugada suju mallige Madeva nimma mande myale dundu mallige Sojugada suju mallige Madeva nimma mande myale dundu mallige. That's all I know. I can't sing after that. And the other one which I picked up was Mayadanta male bantanna madagada kerege. I don't know afterwards. I could have checked, but anyway, I couldn't do that. And the other one is Navale bantappa navale sogeya bannada navale. These are the ones which I kind of like remembered and thought, okay, let me just kind of like, bring it to your attention. And the Hindi ones, like, the folk song, it's more pertaining to the local area, and like, it could be like a dialect one, like, which is pertaining to like a district to like, rural villages, etc., etc. So the north one, like, which I can think of is from the movie. This one is from the movie Lamhe. Morni baga ma bole aadi raat ma chanan chan chudiya kanak gayi dekh sahiba chudiya kanak gayi haat ma morni baag ma bole aadi raat ma. And the next one I have chosen was the Mission Kashmir one. This one is Bhumro. Bhumro, Bhumro, Sham Rang Bhumro, Aati ho kis bagiya mein, ho. Now I have to leave the rest for Amita and Hema. I'm not sure if she has picked up any of these songs. I'm sorry if you have picked it up, because whatever she is singing, it's a surprise for me. So I don't know what she has picked up. Hopefully not these ones. Anyway, so now let me introduce Hema and Amita to this wonderful platform, and I'm so pleased to have both of them on this platform. And that too, Dasara, day 7, it's a special occasion, singing folk songs, and especially, like, she's touching base on maybe a couple of other languages as well, other than Kannada, but I'm absolutely elated to have them. So coming to the mom and daughter introduction, Hema saying, Hema, hi Hema, welcome. It's me, welcome. Self-introduction. Hema is from Bangalore, now settled in Sydney. We met Hema in 2000, and we have been friends ever since, right? And it was just coincidental that we had our meet just 2 days ago. It was a freedom for us after a long time of lockdown. It was a 3-month lockdown, and it was nice to catch up with friends. So I did have Hema 2 days ago. So Hema is an IT specialist. She worked for IBM and ING before embarking to become a business entrepreneur, and she runs her own online businesses for over 15 years. And she has recently completed the training with Tony Robbins Madanis Institute, and she specializes in neuro-linguistic programming, and now she's a fully qualified coach, and she wants to be an agent of change in people's lives. And Hema's interests are many, including charity work, which I have seen her do, and where she is also served as the president of a leading charity organization, which is Vision 2020. And she's also fond of theater, singing, which is what she's going to do, and event management. So that's about Hema. And coming to the gorgeous Amita. Amita, I know since she was a little kid. She was probably 2 or 2.5 years old when we met her, or maybe 3 years. So now, a young adult, Amita is going to perform tonight. I'm so elated to have her. So Miss Amita holds a double degree in law and business, and currently works with Deloitte in their tax and legal division. And Amita's interests include music, classical dance, and helping children with special needs, and she's also involved in charity work. Amita is a member of the Deloitte Foundation, and she's also a member of the Macquarie University Women in Business Forum, and she also works as a volunteer at Vision 2020, which is a charity organization. And both mom and daughter are into a charity organization, so which is a really good job they are doing. And I would like to welcome both of them, Amita and Hema, on this Wholesome Wednesday platform for the Sari Gallery. And I've already invited them, and they are ready to accept. So I'll just bring them on the frame. Malti, unfortunately, I can't have you, Malti. I can have you afterwards, but I'll get Amita first. While that's getting added, I'll just say hello to people who are here. So I've sent the invite again, because it's so different with the technology, despite adding it kind of like, spools and spools. And then I have to resend. Radha, thank you. Ma, thank you. Shaila, thank you. Wow! Thank you. Thank you, girls. I have to say girl. I can't say ladies. Beautiful. Look at the duo there. Wow. I'm so elated. Oh, wow.
Thank you, Hema, for a lovely introduction.
Pleasure is mine. Look at you. Both are so gorgeous there. And what is Amita wearing? She's draped a...
This is a linen sari.
Oh, wow.
And
perfect for a young adult.
Sari.
Kanjivaram. Beautiful. It's really beautiful. Anyway, we'll be posting tonight. Thank you, Hema and Amita, for coming on board our Wholesome Wednesday platform. It's really pleasing to have you both. So what are you going to give us tonight?
First of all, I would like to wish everybody happy Navratri. And today is the 8th day of Navratri and it's Ashtami. So as Hema said to all of us that it's a blue color today. So I also looked up and it's blue. So both
Thank
of
you
us
so much.
blue saris. So you're also wearing a beautiful blue sari, Hema. You look
Thank
really
you.
beautiful. And so we would like to welcome all your audience for our musical program. Hope they will enjoy it. And yeah, thank you so much for the Sari Gallery for giving us the opportunity to sing.
Pleasure is mine. You take it away.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Please sit back and relax and enjoy our song.
Yeah. So do you want to continue?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So this evening is going to be a range of light and folk music. The world of Kannada music offers us such a rich tapestry of emotions, from devotion to contemplation to celebration of gods and goddesses, Mother Nature, festivals, and folklore. In simple lyrics and melody, the folk songs delve deep into the questions of belonging, seeking comfort, and exploring our inner self. We are now celebrating Navratri, and in the midst of the Dasara festival, we are going to begin with a hymn to Goddess Devi titled Nadidide Pujarati Vishwa Devige, written and composed by Sri Lakshminarayana Bhatt. The hymn celebrates nature, birds, colorful flowers, waterfalls, and offers as a manifestation of Devi. So I hope you enjoy.
These are the songs little girl, so it is very, very nostalgic for me. And then I'm so grateful and thankful. Amika learned all these songs just in a week's time, and she's going to perform with me. I'm so excited about that.
I know. I have to just say that, despite not knowing the language properly, she sings Hindi so well. And Kannada, obviously being the mother tongue, she would have picked up. But when she sings Hindi, I have to literally say, Amita, you have done the great job.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Hema. Thank you so much. So we're going to continue with the songs.
Yeah.
ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಪೂಜಾರತಿ ವಿಶ್ವದೇವಿಗೆ ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಪೂಜಾರತಿ ವಿಶ್ವದೇವಿಗೆ ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಪೂಜಾರತಿ ವಿಶ್ವದೇವಿಗೆ ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಪೂಜಾರತಿ ವಿಶ್ವದೇವಿಗೆ ನಭದ ನೀಲ ತಳಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ರವಿಚಂದಿರ ನೀಲಾಂಜನ ಜ್ವಲಿಸಿ ಉರಿದಿದೆ ನಭದ ನೀಲ ತಳಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ರವಿಚಂದಿರ ನೀಲಾಂಜನ ಜ್ವಲಿಸಿ ಉರಿದಿದೆ ಚಂದನವನ ಚಾಮರ ಬೀಸುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ಪರಿಮಳ ಚಂದನವನ ಚಾಮರ ಬೀಸುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ಪರಿಮಳ ಭೂಕಂಠದಿ ಹೊಮ್ಮಿದೆ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಕಲರವ ಭೂಕಂಠದಿ ಹೊಮ್ಮಿದೆ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಕಲರವ ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಪೂಜಾರತಿ ವಿಶ್ವದೇವಿಗೆ ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಪೂಜಾರತಿ ವಿಶ್ವದೇವಿಗೆ ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಪೂಜಾರತಿ ವಿಶ್ವದೇವಿಗೆ ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಪೂಜಾರತಿ ವಿಶ್ವದೇವಿಗೆ ಕೋಟಿ ಕೋಟಿ ಗಿಡ ಮರ ಚಿತ್ರಾಂಕಿತ ಕಂಬ ರಾಶಿ ರಾಶಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಹೂತಾಳಿ ಮೈಯ ತುಂಬ ಕೋಟಿ ಕೋಟಿ ಗಿಡ ಮರ ಚಿತ್ರಾಂಕಿತ ಕಂಬ ರಾಶಿ ರಾಶಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಹೂತಾಳಿ ಮೈಯ ತುಂಬ ಸಾಗಿದೆ ದಿನ ದಿನವೂ ನೀರವ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಸಾಗಿದೆ ದಿನ ದಿನವೂ ನೀರವ ಧ್ಯಾನ ವಿಶ್ವರೂಪಿ ಶಿವನಿಗೆ ಭಕ್ತಿಯ ನಮನ ವಿಶ್ವರೂಪಿ ಶಿವನಿಗೆ ಭಕ್ತಿಯ ನಮನ 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 ನಮನ. Thank you.
Very nice, very nice.
I just want
It
to
was
ask.
so synchronizing.
Thank you. I just want to ask your audience whether they can hear us properly, whether they can
Yes.
see us
Yeah,
properly.
probably I'm absolutely fine.
Yeah.
Audience, I don't know, can someone kind of like signal us whether the audio is okay, you're able to listen to us, plus her, plus them? Oh, yes. Thank you, Malti. They've given the thumbs up. Yeah.
Volume just- From
If you
here,
can increase the volume a bit, can you?
Yeah, we just increase the volume.
I think from
Yeah, just-
here, I think our heads are cut off.
For me, it is clear.
Okay.
Audience, can you tell us whether we are visible clearly, not our heads being chopped off, which I don't want to. Audio, Uma Singh, audio can be a little louder. Yes, they are increasing the volume a little bit. Thank you, Uma. Geeta Singh, voice was breaking a bit, is it? It was okay from my end, Geeta. Maybe from your end, we'll see if others would like to comment on that. We'll just wait, but at the moment is okay. They have increased the volume, so all good.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you all so much.
It was very nice, very nice.
Our next song is written and composed by Sri Mysore Ananthaswamy, one of the pioneers of Kannada Bhavagite in Karnataka. He was a very popular composer and a singer of Kannada Sugama Sangeeta. This is titled Vikasita Maden Nanten Yavanu, an adaptation of Rabindranath Tagore's composition Antara Mama Vikasita Karam. In this song, they say, "O innermost one, let my heart develop, let it be pure, radiant, and beautiful. Unite it with all, free it from all that fetters. At your feet, let my heart be steady. Let it feel and spread joy all around." Hope you enjoy.
Nice.
ವಿಕಸಿತ ಮಾಡೆನ್ನಾಂತರ್ಯವನು ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿಯೇ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಮಾಡೆನ್ನಾಂತರ್ಯವನು ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿಯೇ ನಿರ್ಮಲನಾಗಿಡು ಉಜ್ವಲ ಮಾಡು ನಿರ್ಮಲನಾಗಿಡು ಉಜ್ವಲ ಮಾಡು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿಡುವೆ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಮಾಡೆನ್ನಾಂತರ್ಯವನು ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿಯೇ ಜಾಗೃತನಾಗಿಡು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡು ಜಾಗೃತನಾಗಿಡು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡು ನಿರ್ಭಯನಾಗಿಡು ಹೇ ನಿರ್ಭಯನಾಗಿಡು ಹೇ ಸನ್ಮಂಗಳ ಕೊಡು ನಿರಾಲಸನಾಗಿಡು ಸನ್ಮಂಗಳ ಕೊಡು ನಿರಲಸನ ಬಿಡು ಮಹತು ಮಹೀರನೆ ಮಹತು ಮಹೀರನೆ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಮಾಡೆನ್ನಾಂತರ್ಯವನು ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿಯೇ ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿಯೇ ಸರ್ವ ಸಂಘವನು ಸಾಧಕ ಮಾಡು ಸರ್ವ ಸಂಘವನು ಸಾಧಕ ಮಾಡು ಮುಕ್ತಿಯ ಕೊಡು ನೀ ಅನಂತನೇ ಮುಕ್ತಿಯ ಕೊಡು ನೀ ಅನಂತನೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣದಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸು ಚಿತ್ತವಾ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣದಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸು ಚಿತ್ತವಾ ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿಯೇ ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಮಾಡೆನ್ನಾಂತರ್ಯವನು ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿಯೇ
Very nice. So this is a translated one, is it, to Kannada?
Yes, it is a translation from Antara Mama, which Amita sang in the previous program. So it is a translation of that in Kannada.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So now we are going to sing a Bhavagite, which is
Wow.
G.S. Shivarudrappa. G.S. Shivarudrappa was a Kannada poet, writer and a researcher who was awarded the title of Rashtrakavi by the government of Karnataka in 2006. In this song, Elli Hoguviri Nilli Modagale, the poet uses the rain as a metaphor for quenching one's thirst for life and existence, to provide relief and comfort from the hardships and challenges of the day and today's life. The poet entices and implores the rain that is the provider and has the magic to solve all problems to be generous and not just shower a few drops and pass by without fulfilling one's wish. So poet actually pleads for the clouds to pour the rain down so that we can all be happy. So it's Elli Hoguviri Nilli Modagale. Modagale is clouds. ದಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಿರಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಡಗಳೆ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಹನಿಯ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನ ದಿನವೂ ಕಾದು ಬಾಯಾರಿ ಬಳಲಿ ಬೆಂಗುದಿರ ತಾಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಿರಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಡಗಳೆ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಹನಿಯ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನ ದಿನವೂ ಕಾದು ಬಾಯಾರಿ ಬಳಲಿ ಬೆಂಗುದಿರ ತಾಪದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನೆದೆಯ ಹಸಿರ ಉಸಿರು ಕುಗ್ಗಿದರು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರುಣಾ ನನ್ನೆದೆಯ ಹಸಿರ ಉಸಿರು ಕುಗ್ಗಿದರು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರುಣಾ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋವು ಮಿಡಿಯುತ್ತಿದೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಶರಣ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಶರಣ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಶರಣ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಿರಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಡಗಳೆ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಹನಿಯ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನ ದಿನವೂ ಕಾದು ಬಾಯಾರಿ ಬಳಲಿ ಬೆಂಗುದಿಯ ತಾಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಡವಾದ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಡಲುರಿಯ ಬೇಗೆ ನಿಮಗರಿವಾಗಲಹುದೇ ಬಡವಾದ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಡಲುರಿಯ ಬೇಗೆ ನಿಮಗರಿವಾಗಲಹುದೇ ನೀಲ ಗಗನದಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲಿ ಬಹುದಿವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆನೆಯಬಹುದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆನೆಯಬಹುದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆನೆಯಬಹುದೇ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಿರಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಡಗಳೆ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಹನಿಯ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾದು ಬಾಯಾರಿ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಂಗುದಿಯ ತಾಪದಲ್ಲಿ. ಓ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಓ ತನ್ನಿ ತನ್ನಿ ನಮ್ಮೆಡೆಗೆ ಕಂಪ ತನ್ನಿ. ಓ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಓ ತನ್ನಿ ತನ್ನಿ ನಮ್ಮೆಡೆಗೆ ತಂಪ ತನ್ನಿ. ನೊಂದ ಜೀವರಿಗೆ ತಂಪ ನೀಡುವುದೇ ಪರಮ ಪೂಜೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಪರಮ ಪೂಜೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಪರಮ ಪೂಜೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಿರಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಹನಿಯ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿನ ದಿನವೂ ಕಾದು ಬಾಯಾರಿ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಂಗುದಿಯ ತಾಪದಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಿರಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಡಗಳೇ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಿರಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಡಗಳೇ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಿರಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಡಗಳೇ. ನಾಲ್ಕು ಹನಿಯ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ.
Very nice, very nice. Very meaningful.
Thank you so much. Our next song is also a Bhavagita written by Sri Kuvenpu, an extraordinary poet, playwright, novelist and a critic. He is widely regarded as the greatest Kannada poet of the 20th century. He was the first Kannada writer to receive the Gnanapith Award. The song titled Elliruvudu Nav Seruva Uru is very close to my heart. When I got married as a young girl, before I started globetrotting, I was thinking, where is my new home going to be? Where is my dream home going to be? So when I sang this song in my in-laws' house, they said, oh my God, it is so appropriate. It is so correct. Like,
Correct.
you're wondering where you'll be going from India after marriage.
Yeah.
And having said that, I traveled all over the world with my husband. And so finally we made Australia our dream home. So we are very pleased about it. So let's sing Elliruvudu Nav Seruva Uru.
Yeah. It's applicable for everyone.
Correct. Okay. Elliruvudu Nav Seruva Uru. Elliruvudu Nav Seruva Uru. ಬಲಿದನರಿಯದ ಯಾರು ಕಾಣದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಇರದ ಊರು. ಎಲ್ಲಿರುವುದು ನಾವು ಸೇರುವ ಊರು. ಭವ ಭಯವಿಲ್ಲದ ಊರಂತೆ, ದಿವಿಜರು ಬಯಸುವ ಊರಂತೆ. ಭವ ಭಯವಿಲ್ಲದ ಊರಂತೆ, ದಿವಿಜರು ಬಯಸುವ ಊರಂತೆ. ತವರೂರಂತೆ ಬಹುದೂರಂತೆ, ಕವಿಗಳು ಕಂಡಿಹ ಊರಂತೆ. ಕವಿಗಳು ಕಂಡಿಹ ಊರಂತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿರುವುದು ನಾವು ಸೇರುವ ಊರು. ಬಲಿದನರಿಯದ ಯಾರು ಕಾಣದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಇರದ ಊರು. ಎಲ್ಲಿರುವುದು ನಾವು ಸೇರುವ ಊರು. ಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳಿರುವುದೇ ಆ ಊರು, ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಮೇರೆ ಆ ಊರು. ಜ್ಞಾನಗಳಿರುವುದೇ ಆ ಊರು, ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಮೇರೆ ಆ ಊರು. ನಾನಿಹ ಊರು ಸಮೀಪದ ಊರು, ದೈವವೇ ಆಳುವ ಬರೂರು. ದೈವವೇ ಆಳುವ ತವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವುದು ನಾ ಸೇರುವ ಊರು ಬಲಿದನರಿಯದ ಯಾರೂ ಕಾಣದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಇರದ ಊರು ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವುದು ನಾ ಸೇರುವ ಊರು. Well done.
Very nice.
Thank you
Very,
so much
very
for
meaningful.
learning this song along with me. It is a pleasure that you sang with me.
Just out of curiosity, the lyrics what you have got on your sheets, is it in Kannada or English? Just for Amita.
Mine's in English. Mom had to tell me the pronunciation.
Yeah. Obviously. But you are singing so well, Amita. I'm so impressed.
Oh, thank you. So the next song that we're going to be singing is a very popular folk song, which I'm sure you may all know. It's called Panchmi Habba.
Oh, yes.
In this song, the sister paints a glorious picture of her very rich brother who has not shown up on the Panchami festival to see her. She glorifies her mother's place where she was brought up, a place of abundance and plenty. But she is suddenly anxious and worried as to why her brother has not shown up still. Maybe I can resonate with this with my brother today and him not turning up to stuff. So I hope you enjoy.
Yeah. I was about to pick this song, Hema, but I knew at the corner of my mind that you're going to sing this, so I did not pick this song.
Because I sang it in front of you many
But
times.
obviously, I wouldn't have done the justice like you.
Oh.
No, you did well. You did well. Panchmi Habba, Panchmi Habba, ಉಳ್ದಾವ ದಿನ ನಾಕ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೋ ಕರ್ಯಾಕ. ಪಂಚಮಿ ಹಬ್ಬ ಉಳ್ದಾವ ದಿನ ನಾಕ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ ಕರ್ಯಾಕ. ಅಣ್ಣ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ ಕರ್ಯಾಕ. ನಮ್ಮ ತವರೂರು ಗೋಕುಲ ನಗರ ಮಣಿಯಂತಾವು ರಾಜ ಮಂದಿರ. ನಮ್ಮ ತವರೂರು ಗೋಕುಲ ನಗರ ಮಣಿಯಂತಾವು ರಾಜ ಮಂದಿರ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣಯ್ಯ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೌಕಾರ ಹೆಂಗದಿತ ತಂಗಿನ ಮರಿಯಾಕ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ ಕೈಯಾಕ. ಅಣ್ಣ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ ಕೈಯಾಕ. ಪಂಚಮಿ ಹಬ್ಬ ಉಳ್ದಾವ ದಿನ ನಾಕ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ ಕೈಯಾಕ. ಅಣ್ಣ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ ಕೈಯಾಕ. ನಮ್ಮ ತವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಂಚಮಿ ಬಾರಿ ಮನಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಬಟ್ಟಲಕೋ ಬಾರಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ತವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಂಚಮಿ ಬಾರಿ ಮನಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಬಟ್ಟಲಕೋ ಬಾರಿ. ನಾನು ತಿಳುವಾಕೆ ಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ ಕೈಯಾಕ. ಪಂಚಮಿ ಹಬ್ಬ ಉಳ್ದಾವ ದಿನ ನಾಕ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ ಕೈಯಾಕ. ಅಣ್ಣ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ ಕೈಯಾಕ. ಮುತ್ತಿನಂತಾಕಿ ಯಕ್ಕ ನಮ್ಮತ್ತಿಗಿ ಅತಿ ಬಾಳ ನನ್ಯಾಗ ಅವಳಿಗಿ. ಮುತ್ತಿನಂತಾಕಿ ಯಕ್ಕ ನಮ್ಮತ್ತಿಗಿ ಅತಿ ಬಾಳ ನನ್ಯಾಗ ಅವಳಿಗಿ. ಎಂದು ನೋಡೇನ ತವರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಳೇನಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಾಗ. ಅಣ್ಣ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ ಕೈಯಾಕ. ಪಂಚಮಿ ಹಬ್ಬ ಉಳ್ದಾವ ದಿನ ನಾಕ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ ಕೈಯಾಕ. ಅಣ್ಣ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ ಕೈಯಾಕ. ಅಣ್ಣ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ ಕೈಯಾಕ. ಅಣ್ಣ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ ಕೈಯಾಕ.
Awesome. Very nice. Hope Akshay is listening.
I know. I hope he is.
He can't though, because he's not in Sal Gallery.
Yeah.
So this is actually our final song for this evening.
Surprise.
It's a surprise.
Oh.
Be fun. So this is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is titled Sojugada Sujamallige.
Anyway, it's my favorite one too. Obviously, you
It's a
people will do the
beautiful
proper
song.
justice now.
So this is a beautiful and popular Kannada folk song, and as you mentioned, Ananya Bhatt sang it for
Yeah.
Satguru. And this is a composition on Lord Shiva, who is worshipped by other names, Mahadeva, and in Kannada he is also worshipped as Mahadeva. An earnest devotee sings to Mahadeva, who resides on Madeshwara hills, and expresses her devotion by offering needle jasmine flowers, tulsi, ghee, and oranges to worship him. So I hope you enjoy.
You want to check with everyone? Everyone is listening. Okay, it's all okay. Video.
Clear, we can see your heads and all. Both are looking beautiful. Please increase volume. All three can be seen well and looking good. Yes. Soulful, all good here. Very lovely voice. Beautiful song. Claps, thumbs up. Pretty happy, Hema. Increase volume, please. Beautiful singing and beautiful poem. Maybe it's way past. I'm just was kind of like scrolling from the beginning. Maybe you might have adjusted now. Voice good now. Yeah. So it's afterwards. Mradula, I'm so proud of you. Profound. Wow. Wow. I'm so impressed. Beautiful singing. Oh, fun and love. Beautiful singing. Hema and Amita. Annani Begane Ba. Probably, you should send the link to Akshay and ask him to listen to this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all good, all good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this is our final rendition.
Oh, final one. You can do one more. The floor is open. I can take the requests. Yeah, go ahead.
Mahadeva, 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 Mahadeva. Sojugada Sujumallige Mahadeva Nimma Mandinyale Dundu Mallige Sojugada Sujumallige Mahadeva Nimma Mandinyale Dundu Mallige Andavare mundavare mate tavare pushpa Chandaki male bilpatre Mahadeva ninge Chandaki male bilpatre tulsi dalava Madappa pujege bandhu Mahadeva nimma sujugada sujumallige Mahadeva nimma mandinyale dundu mallige Sojugada sujumallige Mahadeva nimma mandinyale dundu mallige Tabale belagini tupavakaisi Hitale hanna kandivni Mahadeva ninge Hitale hanna kandivni Madappa Hitadi bharuva parisege Mahadeva nimma ಸೋಜುಗಾದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸೋಜುಗಾದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬೆಟ್ಟಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗೋರ್ಗೆ ಹಟ್ಟಿ ಬಂಬಳ ಬ್ಯಾಕ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ್ ಮಾದೇವ ಗತಿ ಎಂದು ಮಾದೇವ ನೀವೇ ಮಾದೇವ ನೀವೇ ಮಾದೇವ ನೀವೇ ಮಾದೇವ ನೀವೇ ಬೆಟ್ಟಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗೋರ್ಗೆ ಹಟಿ ಹಂಬಲ ಬ್ಯಾಕ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ್ ಮಾದೇವ ಗತಿ ಎಂದು ಮಾದೇವ ನೀವೇ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ್ ಮಾದೇವ ಗತಿ ಎಂದು ಅವರಿನ್ನು ಹಟ್ಟಿ ಹಂಬಲವ ಮರೆತಾರೋ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೋಜುಗಾದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸೋಜುಗಾದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ.
Oh, awesome. So nice. Very, very nice.
Thank you all so much. Happy Navratri to all of you, all the viewers. Thank you so much for watching us. Thanks Hema for giving us the opportunity.
Thank you very much, both Amita and Hema. It was so, so nice listening to soulful songs, beautiful selection of songs, and really, really appreciate coming onto my platform. It's really, really nice. Thank you so much. And perhaps we can go back and respond to the messages. That's a daunting task, but anyway, it's nice. It's nice to receive the feedback. There are so many who have commented. Thank you, ladies, for staying tuned with us. Thank you once again. And Hema and Amita signing off. Wait for next Wednesday's announcement, which is going to happen on Sunday. Looking forward to having you all. Bye for now. Bye.
Bye.